Hello and welcome to MargBooks. In today's video, we will learn how to create a doctor in retail pharmacy. In MargBooks, there are two ways to create a doctor. The first is through masters, and the second is while creating a sale bill. Now, let us understand the complete process of creating a doctor through masters. To create a doctor, first go to the dashboard. Next, click on the Masters option. Now select Other Masters. After that, click on the Doctor option. As soon as you click on Doctor, the doctor list will open. Now click on the Create F2 option. The doctor creation window will open. First, enter the doctor's mobile number. Next, enter the required details such as doctor ID, doctor name, registration number, hospital name, and other necessary information. After entering all the required details, click on the Save button or press F10. In this way, the doctor will be created successfully. Now, let us see how to create a doctor while creating a sale bill. For this, go to the dashboard. Next, click on the Sale option. Now select Bill and click on Create F2. In the Doctor field, search for the doctor's name. If the doctor is not already available, enter the doctor's mobile number. As soon as you press Enter, the doctor creation window will open automatically. Now enter all the required doctor details and click on the Save button or press F10. This is how you can easily create and manage doctor masters in retail pharmacy. If you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.